Welcome students. In this video, I am going to discuss how we can reduce the journal equation of line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 into various form. The first form, we are going to reduce this journal equation into the slope-intercept form. Suppose your equation is ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and you need to find the slope of this line and intercept on y-axis. For that, we have one condition. This b should be non-zero because first you look here, I have written this as by is equal to minus ax minus c. Then y is minus a by b. We are dividing the equation by b on both sides. This is minus a by b x plus minus c by b. If I compare this equation with y is equal to mx plus c, you know that in this equation m is the slope of line. So that means your slope is minus a by b and this c is the intercept on y-axis. So the intercept on y-axis is minus c by b. If you look here, we have divided by b on both sides. So that's why we have written this b should be non-zero. So from here you can also journalize a result that the slope of equation, the journal equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This can also be directly evaluated as coefficient of x, that is a, divided by coefficient of y, this b, with the negative sign. So this is your slope. And the intercept on y-axis is, let it be small c, this is equal to minus c by b. Now, the first question from exercise 3.10.3 is, reduce the following equations into the slope-intercept form. Find their slope and y-intercept. So that means for this, we need to reduce our equation to this form. Y is equal to mx plus c. Because in this form, here m is the slope and this c is the intercept on y-axis. So, keep your y, the term with the y on left hand side. So 7y is equal to minus x. Now if you compare these two, the coefficient of y should be unity. That means we are going to divide by 7 on both sides. So y is minus x by 7, or we can rewrite this as y is equal to minus 1 by 7 into x plus 0. If you compare this equation with this, the slope is minus 1 by 7 and the c is 0. That means the intercept on y-axis c is 0. One more question of the same type. Find slope and intercept on y-axis. So that means we are going to reduce this equation to the form y is equal to mx plus c. So here 3y is equal to minus 6x plus 5. Now divide by 3 on both sides. You will get y is equal to minus 2x plus 5 by 3. If you compare these two equations, the slope m is minus 2 and the intercept on y-axis, that means c, is 5 by 3. Now the next form is, we are going to reduce this journal equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0 into the intercept form. Intercept form means we are going to find the intercept on both x-axis as well as y-axis. First you look the procedure. This is ax plus by is equal to minus c. Now, this is our intercept form. X by a plus y by b equal to 1. For this, we need to have the constant 1 on right hand side. And it should be positive. So that means you are going to divide by minus c on both sides. So this is a upon minus cx plus b upon minus cy equal to 1. Or this equation can be rewritten as x upon minus c by a plus y upon minus c by b. This is equal to 1. If you compare these two equations, a is this. A is, small a is minus c upon a. This is your intercept on x-axis. And this b is minus c upon b, intercept on y-axis. I have also written here this c should be non-zero. because in this equation you are going to divide by c. So this c should be non-zero. Now, just look at the question. Question number 2. Reduce the following equations into the intercept form and find their intercept on the axis. For this, we need to reduce our equation to this form. X by a plus y by b equal to 1. First, we shift this constant to the right hand side, and this should be positive. So this is 3x plus 2y equal to 12. Now divide by 12 on both sides. You will get, if you divide by 12, 3 by 12. This is 4. Here you have 6. This is equal to 1. X by 4 plus y by 6 equal to 1. If you compare this with x by a plus y by b equal to 1, here a is the intercept on x-axis. This is 4. And b is the intercept on y-axis. This is 6. The second part, find the intercept on both the axes. Now, first we'll divide by 6 on both sides. So, we'll get 4 by 6x minus 3 by 6y. This is equal to 1. Now, you need to reduce your equation to this form. X upon a plus y by b equal to 1. Now, this is 2 by 3x minus 1 by 2y equal to 1. Or it can be rewritten as x upon 3 by 2 plus y upon minus 2 is 1. So, if you compare these two equations, a is 3 by 2 means the intercept on the x-axis is 3 by 2 and b is minus 2. So, the intercept on y-axis is minus 2. Next question, 3y plus 2 equal to 0. The important point is the constant on the right hand side should be positive. So here you have minus 3y is equal to 2. Now divide by 2 on both sides. So you will get minus 3 upon 2y equal to 1. Or it can be rewritten as y upon minus 2 by 3 is 1. Just look here. There is no term of x here. So that means the intercept on x-axis a will be 0. And the intercept on y-axis b is minus 2 by 3. Now one more question. Find the angle between the lines root 3x plus y equal to 1 and x plus root 3y equal to 1. We know that the theta angle between the two lines is given by the formula tan theta equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 divided by m1 plus m1 into m2. Here m1 is the slope of first line and m2 is the slope of second line. So this is your first line, root 3x plus y equal to 1, and its slope, let it be m1, is the coefficient of x root 3 divided by coefficient of y 1 with the negative sign. m2 is the slope of second line. This is coefficient of x is 1 divided by coefficient of y root 3 with the negative sign. So you have m1 and m2. Put the value in this formula. You will have this. Now here negative will be positive and this root 3 will be cancelled. Minus 1 will be plus 1. Next step, take the LCM. You will have root 3 in the denominator. This is minus 3 plus 1. So this is minus 2 upon 2 root 3. Again this 2 will be cancelled. You have minus 1 by root 3 mod. So that means this is 1 upon root 3. From mod, when we take mod, it will become positive. So that means your tan theta is 1 by root 3. So theta is 30 degree. Therefore the angle between the lines is either 30 degree or 180 degree minus 30 degree. This is 150 degree.